Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining the first of many events in today's Writing and Critical Inquiry AI and Writing Fair.
Resistance and refusal isn't just about saying no, in my mind. It's also an invitation to think otherwise.
And I found out that to cool their system, they use a ton of water,
which allows these private corporations to get away with long abusive hours, non-livable wages.
For many people, including myself, some of the AI tools are becoming kind of a relief.